They were just really great from the beginning. They just took the reins and took over everything. It's really an amazing outcome to be able to move on in life. I'm a truck driver. I've been in the industry pretty much my whole life. I was born and raised in the trucking industry with my dad. I went 48 states as a kid in a semi-truck. My father was having medical issues. He didn't want to go, but he went anyway. When I found out, I proceeded forward with trying to discuss this with my father. He was under the impression we split the house. My father got really sick and couldn't amend it.
Brian's case was a classic trust contest case. In all of our cases, it's critical that we put together a chronology of facts. At the time that Brian's father created the trust, he was undergoing chemotherapy for brain cancer and was experiencing symptoms associated with the brain cancer. There were some questions as to the creation of this trust and whether it was legitimate or not.
The majority of the time, it was very hands-off for me. I know nothing about this kind of stuff. Brian was there every time.
Something unique about Brian's case, his dad used a company to prepare the trust. They employ people called legal document assistants. They are individuals who are not lawyers, but they are expressly permitted to prepare and complete templated trust documents for people. And they are specifically prohibited from providing any advice whatsoever about the document that they are preparing. Brian's dad didn't totally understand what he was signing because nobody ever explained it to him.
He wanted it amended, but got very sick and therefore couldn't have it amended before he wound up passing away. In the end, we wound up settling in mediation. I was happy with the outcome. I'm extremely happy with Hackard Law.
Something I love about the work that we do is hearing people's stories and learning about their lives. And through that process, we become closer with our clients and we develop an affinity for them and for achieving the greatest outcome we can.